How to fix Instagram Reels not showing. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from AppGuide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you some of the ways on how you can fix if the Instagram Reels option isn't showing up on your home screen. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, let me show you what the issue is. I will just go ahead and launch the Instagram app on my phone. Once I launch the Instagram app, you can see that the Reels button is actually missing. You have the home page, you have search button, you have the plus icon, you have the shop, Instagram shop, you have your profile icon, and even if you look at the top of your home page, you will not be able to see the Reels button. You can see even at the top we don't have the Reels button, but you can still watch Reels on Instagram. And if you're learning how, then in that case you can go to the search box, and over here you'll be able to see the Reels icon next to a certain post. So right next to this post or this video, you can see that there is a Reels icon. So it basically means that this is a particular reel, and you can simply tap on this reel and you can see that the reel will get successfully loaded. Now if you want to watch other reels, what you could do is, in that case, you could simply swipe up and you'll be recommended other reels right on this page, and you can also go ahead and swipe up or swipe down again in order to get recommended similar reels in the future. If you're not being able to find a reels option, you don't need to have that. You can simply locate a certain reel and you can go ahead and watch those reels in that way. Now this was an alternative solution, because this is a bug from Instagram itself, because in some devices you do have the Reels option, in some devices it doesn't show. It shows up in some regions, it doesn't show up in some regions. This is a bug from the Instagram app. You can see they constantly keep on changing their layout. However, let's just assume that you want a definitive Reels option. Well, in that case I have a solution for you, but only if you are an Android user. In that case, what I do is, I recently found a solution. What I will do is I will go ahead and exit out of the Instagram app. Once I exit out of the Instagram app, I'm going to go ahead and open my Play Store. As you open your Play Store, what you have to do is, in the search box, you want to simply go ahead and type in Instagram Lite. So instead of Instagram, you have to go ahead and download the Instagram Lite application. You can see in my case I've already downloaded it. Once you've downloaded Instagram Lite, basically I will simply tap on the open button. Once you tap on the open button, after you log in, right over here at the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to find this Reels button, and this is exactly where the Reels option is. On the official Instagram app, it didn't show, but now on the Lite version of Instagram app, you do have the Reels option. I don't know what is happening, but this is simply the way to work around it. You can see now we could go ahead and watch Reels even when it wasn't on the main version of the Instagram app. We hope this video solved your issue and at least gave you some insights and queries about this Reels button. We also hope the video helped you in either way, and if it did help you and gave you some solutions, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.